What's unique about Keynote is that we are one of the few people in the world who have an infrastructure. In fact, we have the world's largest infrastructure of internet test and measurement probes and mobile test and measurement probes located in about 240 physical locations, about 2,400 probes that are constantly sampling our customers' websites, our customers' mobile services, and are able to provide them with an up-to-minute, very real-time view of the performance and service level capabilities of those services. Our services can be broadly categorized into 4 areas. In the first case, we're really doing simple measurements that are measuring the speed of your home page, the speed of a transaction such as buying a book or doing a travel reservation. In the second case, we're doing more complex measurements of your streaming measurements, of your video on demand. If you happen to be a media supplier and you want to know if your broadcasts are coming out right, we're able to do those measurements. In the third case, which is mobile, we're able to tell you if your mobile services are getting through to the people you want them targeted at. They work right on the hundreds and thousands of different phones that are available. They work right across different operators and in 70 different countries across the world. And in the fourth case, we're doing measurements of customer experience. Essentially, are your websites easily navigatable? When people come to your website, are they able to convert from just lookers into buyers? In 2003, we're about a $38 million company, barely break even. And this year, most people, analysts believe that we'll be around $75 million, which is about twice what it was 5 years ago. Well, out of 2,600 customers, our top probably 200 represent easily 80 to 85% of our revenue. So we have a long way to go in terms of penetrating all of our customers to the same extent that we've penetrated the top 200. If we could just make our top 2,600 customers pay us as much as the average of the top 100 or 200 pay us, we certainly would be a company 4 or 5 or 6 times bigger than what we are today. I think in the area of mobile, you can expect to see significant growth from us, certainly double-digit growth, as has been occurring for the past few years. We're bringing out new products and have come out with new products that essentially take advantage of Web 2.0 and broadband features. And so a lot of our initial customers who were buying some of our early versions of our web services, they've actually cut down on those early versions and are replacing those budget dollars with new products from us. We are a business with a stock market valuation which is less than 1x sales, and yet we are one of the first software as a service companies. We have a very secure revenue stream, are profitable, and yet our price to EBITDA ratios are quite reasonable relative to our peers. And I think we make an interesting investment for a lot of folks.